Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has done, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While opening the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint plug connects with the back cover. Next, remove the bracket by undoing 3 screws and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, remove the back cover by releasing the adhesive and disconnecting the fingerprint plug. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 8 screws. Next, release the copper adhesive and disconnect the front camera plug. And then gently pull out the networking front camera from the board. Next, take out the rear camera lens bracket. And then gently pull out the logic board from the frame. Next, disconnect the main flex, LCD connector plug and antenna head from the logic board. Next, pull out the logic board by removing the SIM tray. Next, flip the logic board and gently release the copper adhesive. Next, disconnect both camera connectors to pull out the not working rear camera unit. Next, place and secure the new camera to the logic board. And also, it is a good practice to place the copper adhesive on the connectors. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the main and LCD plugs to the board. Next, secure the rear camera lens bracket. Next, connect the antenna plug. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 8 screws. Make sure to add the connector bracket too. Next, secure the fingerprint connector and place the tape on the back cover. Next, secure the battery connector and then place the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or only double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.